Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be guiding you through Forvio, our cutting-edge cross-media measurement platform. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clear understanding of what Forvio is, the key concepts that drive it, and how to effortlessly navigate the app. Forvio is more than just another marketing analytics tool. It's a vital part of your modern measurement stack. It empowers you to analyze cross-channel performance, measure the incremental impact of your efforts, forecast future outcomes, and optimize your marketing strategy with confidence. Forvio's approach is grounded in three key concepts: marketing mix modeling, experiments, and touch attribution. By blending these techniques, Forvio offers a holistic approach that delivers precise predictions while sidestepping the common pitfalls of using just one method. But we'll save the deep dive for another time. We'll begin by accessing our Sandbox workspace, which you can use after signing up for a free trial. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in your workspace, with all the app's key modules conveniently organized on the left side, making everything easy to find. Next, let's take a look at the integration screen. Forvio offers native connectors for major advertising platforms like Google Ads and Facebook, along with tools like Google Sheets and BigQuery for integrating other data. Adding your data is as simple as clicking Add Connector and following the prompts. With your data connected, it's time to move to the Model Builder, the heart of Forvio. Every workflow starts here. On the left, you'll see a list of models. Think of a model as a blueprint for a specific business case you want to analyze, like online revenue, Germany, or customer acquisition, UK. A model is made up of channels. These channels can be inputs, like paid, organic, or contextual sources that drive your sales, or outputs, which are the targets you want to measure, such as revenue, sales, or new customers. When we talk about paid channels in Forvio, we're not just talking about Google Ads or Facebook ads. No, we're talking about a more granular approach. Imagine breaking down Google Ads into PMax and display, or distinguishing between branding and product campaigns. You could even split Facebook ads into campaigns targeting different audience segments. It's about tailoring the channels to reflect how your business actually works. Let's explore our Sandbox model. Here, we've already added a few datasets. Each dataset holds one or more channels, and you can name them to quickly identify the type of data they contain. Trust me, when you're knee-deep in analysis, these names will save you a lot of time. Next, let's check out the Data Preview tab. Here, all your data is blended into a single table at the daily level, with each channel represented in its own column. Above the table, there's a chart that visualizes your spend and target variable, revenue in this case, on a daily basis. The timeline at the top highlights significant holidays or events, and hovering over the chart gives you more details. On the Holidays and Events tab, you can add or remove holidays. We've preloaded the holidays based on your model's country, so you don't have to worry about your model missing any key dates that could impact your results. Once your data is prepped, it's time to train the model. Just click the Run button. Depending on the complexity of your data, this can take anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour. So, maybe grab a coffee, or two. You can monitor the progress of your model on the job screen. Here you'll see the current status, how long it's been running, and what's up next. You can also check the detailed logs from the model run to keep track of all the processing steps. Now, let's move on to the Insights screen, where all your hard work pays off. The Insights section offers a range of tools to evaluate your model's performance. It starts with the Summary tab, which helps you quickly identify the most effective channels and understand how your budget impacts results. For a deeper dive, tabs like Detailed View, Trend, Channel, and Cross-Channel offer more specific analysis. Finally, the Model Details tab provides a comprehensive assessment of how well the model's predictions align with actual outcomes, essentially your model's performance report card. With your model results in hand, it's time to put them to work. This is where things get interesting. In the Scenario Planner, you can experiment with different budgets and constraints to find the most efficient mix for your upcoming campaigns. The Scenario Planner even predicts how well your chosen mix is likely to perform. Think of it as your marketing crystal ball, minus the guesswork. And that wraps up our tour of Forvio. We hope this overview has helped you get familiar with Forvio and how it can elevate your marketing measurement. If you have any additional questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us at hello@forvio.com. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.